New York City, I am disappointed. You guys let London, a place with no guns, surpass you in murder rate. New York City used to be so violent that Death Wish 3 was about a vigilante that single-handedly, well, he had a little help, like a couple of his friends helped him out, but he had to clean up New York City because it was that violent. Death Wish 3 was actually filmed in London. Now fast forward to 30 years later, and now London is more violent for real. There's a knife problem in London. I find it funny. Well, I don't think it's funny that people are being stabbed in the eye socket and freaking bleeding to death and dying. Such a gruesome death. But I find it funny. Every time I research a shooting, the latest shooting, it's always a British person bragging about what a utopia they have and how perfect and pure of a society it is and how America is so violent. I think Japan is closer to a utopia when it comes to peace. I'm not going to give the reason why, because I don't want to be accused of thought crime, hate thought crime, whatever the fuck it's called. But feel free to leave it in the comments. Leave the answer in the comments because YouTube can't censor comments. Not that I know of. I don't think it's happening yet. So, what has changed in London in the past couple of years that's causing a spike in crime? And it's something Japan's not welcoming into their society. Think about it. Leave it in the comment below. So, here we go. Let's talk about this here. I have some stuff opened. Okay, so this video is called BBC is publicly funded. Oh no, that's the website. Okay, we have to walk around. We have to walk around with knives. That's broken English. That's what it's called. But check this out.
Showing a bit of weed, showing a bit of cliches.
Look at this guy. He thinks he's Ninja Gaiden.
Knives to 12. Can't just see what you have. That's not a knife.
Look at that shit. He's Ninja Gaiden with his flea market katana. Cue the Ninja Gaiden boss song. Play the music. Okay, let's continue here.
Why do you carry that weapon?
Look at Ryu, man.
As long as I've got this with me, I feel safe.
That looks a bit more than self-defense to me.
Skirt.
He's gonna fucking chop people's heads off, man. What else do we got here? Okay, so I was just showing a bunch of, I guess, London's full of ninjas now. Okay, I have another link open. Okay, here's another one. Okay, look at this. So now there's biker gangs in London on mopeds. Oh yeah, they're gonna freaking rob this guy. Fuck off your bike. Give me your money. Yeah, man, that sucks. Rough day at the office, man. Okay, now there's more stuff here. So this guy's he's an advocate. I think he used to carry a knife. I don't remember this video. It's called On a Knife's Edge, The Rise of Violence on London Streets. So if you want to watch it, I'll leave comments. I'll pin them if you want me to. If you want the link, just let me know in the comment. I'll link it to you. Look at this shit, man. So they're hiding like knives in the freaking park. Look at that. So I guess knives are being hid in parks now, so you could freaking stab someone in the neck. Look at this guy. This guy has a semi-automatic knife. Fully semi-automatic. This is like the... Look at that thing, man. That's like the AR-15 of knives. Like, that's the London version of the AR-15 right there. Fully semi-automatic. So there you go. Knife crime in London is up. Surpassed New York. Next destination, Chicago. That's the next goal for Londoners. Surpass Chicago next without the use of a gun. Very impressive. Very impressive that you guys surpassed the crime rate of New York and you don't even need guns. You just have fully semi-automatic knives.